CoverGirl, So Lashy, oh my god. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. For those of you who are new, welcome, my name's Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. I've got links to my social media in the description box below, and I'd appreciate it if you could follow me there as well. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions and review of the CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro Mascara. I have a lot of these and they've been taking up space, so I want to just review them on my channel. I haven't actually used these before. Today I am going to be doing a first impressions and review of the CoverGirl So Lashy Lash Blast Pro Mascara. So this is the box that it comes in. This is just what it looks like. Honestly, I was just attracted to it because it's a purple package and I really like the color purple. The applicator is kind of concerning looking, and I really wanted to see whether this weird technology that they have actually works. So if you want to see my first impression and review of this product, then please keep on watching. Alright, so this is the CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro Mascara. So it's got this little spiked ball on the end that looks absolutely terrifying. That's supposedly a lash finder. And it's bold. It gives you bold, sexy lashes for all lash types. And then they have like a little diagram of all the different lash types. It's supposedly good for curly lashes, sparse lashes, and straight lashes. I wouldn't say mine are, I guess mine are curly. If I had to classify them as something, they're like fairly long. They take to mascara really well. This product is supposedly easy to remove with soap and water, ophthalmologically tested, suitable for contact lens wearers. And then the only instructions here say apply with the brush side. Okay. And then rotate and apply with the ball tip. The diagram actually shows like just the thin part. The diagram isn't really accurate to what the wand looks like. So, first impression right off the bat, the wand is really hard to get out of the box. It's like actually stuck. So that's kind of annoying, and now I've like tainted it with my fingers. But anyways, so this is what the applicator looks like. It's not as scary as the diagram depicted it on the box, but it's still kind of weird looking. And then we've got the bottle of the actual mascara. So I'm just going to take off the top that keeps it fresh, and let's just dip it in and see what happens. Okay, so I'm just kind of moving it around in here. Alright, so the brush is fully coated. I'm just going to wipe off the excess. Now it says to use the shorter part, I guess, to brush through, and then use the ball tip to... That probably makes the extra like oomph. Let's just apply that. Oh, okay, so it's very easy to poke yourself in the eye with this. Holy. But I see that the ball separates the lashes and coats them with like a thicker coat of mascara. Oh, wow, okay. So I like the theory of this. I don't know if I like this in practice, just because it's so easy to poke yourself in the eye. So now I'm just going to do lower lashes. Okay, yeah, this applicator makes it really easy to poke yourself in the eye. Okay, I see. No, I don't see. I think the sides... Okay, so you see how the sides are... I don't know what else to call it, but like they like stick out like an arch. So I think that's what you're initially supposed to use the flat side to brush on the product, and then the like wider sides, I think, to really distribute it and lengthen your lashes. And then the ball just pokes you in the eye. Alright, so compare my lashes right now. You can definitely see The side that I coated it on is so much thicker. I'm just going to curl the other side of my lashes, my other set of lashes, and just so you can see the lashes on that side a bit better. Just trying to show what my lashes look like from the side. Don't know if you're really getting that. Alright, so I'm just going to apply the mascara to my other eye. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the mascara applied on both eyes. Alright, so I added a little lipstick on just because my lips were looking very like bland. Overall, I like this mascara. I don't think it's the best mascara I've ever used, but I definitely think it lengthens really, really nicely. It does clump a little bit, which I'm not super thrilled about. But for like everyday use, I think this is great, and I'd give it 4 out of 5 if I'm being generous, or even like, yeah, I guess I give it like between like a 3.7 out of 5. It's a fine mascara. I'm not super wowed by it, and as far as ease of use, I think I like the theory of the wand, but I don't love the application. Maybe it's just something that I need to get used to, but I'm not super wowed by it, and I think you could probably get this effect with a much easier to use wand where you're not at risk of poking yourself in the eye. So that's my first impressions of this mascara. It's fine. Do I think that you should run out and buy it? I mean, there are lots of like decent drugstore mascaras out there that you could buy. So, and like I've tried other, and this one's CoverGirl, right? I've tried other CoverGirl ones before that I like a bit better. So like there's nothing wrong with the product. It is a little clumpy, but that might be my fault in the application. But it lengthens really nicely, and I mean, like, my eyes look great right now, so okay, fine. You know what? I'll give it a 4 out of 5 because it's a good product. It just, the formula is a little clumpy and the application could be easier. So that's my first impressions and review. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to comment what your favorite drugstore mascara is. I have a lot of mascaras that I'm just waiting to try out and review on this channel, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in my next video.